dey talk. I go dey talk about the way I do this one. Let kill. The no son, yo. Just and see this. The no son. Just one tap. Pissy. Don't you? Ew. The no son go. Don't break it. Hey, yeah. Thank you. Thank you. I'm destroying it. I'm gonna get it by myself, and I don't like it. I don't like it. This, imagine this thing. I get by my own self. It's blocking me on social media. Let me come on. Look at it. We're busy the leg. I would talk about it. But see, because of how I blocked that boy, that guy, I blocked him. I swear to all my self. I got this they make it block the guy. They have not do what we make our blood. I said Jesus or blood. Guys, I swear to all my God. Like the way she did disrespect Jarvis, I like normal, but then I only mean the disrespect, bro. I will still be with the guy. That one, the thing will just be like normal vibe, but the way they disrespect Jarvis, go bring a show on your live stream, you will use them to complain Jarvis. Like, bro, I said, like, what the fuck is this? And I block you. Me, I block you because of the way you are disrespecting that girl. But the girl when you disrespect it, me, I thought they said that one say make you block it. That you have not have any reason to block. Guys, that one is good. That kind of talk is good. You don't have any reason. I thought you feel like okay, bro. Stop all this thing, but see, because
that breakup something, me, I know maybe if it happen because I never did this before for my own life. So if that shit don't happen, me, no worry, because I think I'm smelling this. I think I'm smelling this, yo. But me, I know the fear, Sha. I know fear now. But me, if I don't break up, if you break up, I don't go like any girl again. I don't go like any girl. All the girl I could not do it, cause I'm not. That breakup something, me.